Yes, hello everyone. Peace out to all the Northeast people, Mizoram people. Hope everyone is doing well. So, peace from Africa. Today we are reacting to Bzi Tochhawng and Ben Opa Kadong Ngam. I don't know. Sorry in case if I pronounce it wrongly, guys. Yeah, I don't know much. I don't know how to speak the Mizo language, but I know how to speak the khasi little from Shillong. So let's listen, guys. Let's try to sing. We have the subtitle here. Let's share the love. Don't forget to subscribe. And let's go. I'm reading the subtitle because I want to sing with you. Loving is love. Ring to ring. Yo, I got it. Low to ring. Ring down. Wow, I'm getting it. How is it? How am I going, guys? Let's go slowly, I'm catching. Rama so touching, guys. Amazing beat, amazing people, amazing sound. This is the sound of healing. Wow, guys. Anyway, that was so touching, amazing, guys. I felt the song. They also provided a script here, which I love it about this song. It's like, yeah, they gave the English script here, where in verse 1 it say in English, when you pledge your love to me, leaning on you, not needing anyone else, dreaming together, looking forward, your promises to stay with me forever. And the chorus was, but fate has it this way, designed it for us not to be together. I cannot bear the thought of you embracing someone else. I cannot bear the thought of you sharing a life. Wow, wow, wow. This is so lovely. In verse 2, when we were happily together, I never thought those years separating us would be the one to separate us. You were taken away to a place I never expected. That is so touching, guys. I love the lyric. The English lyric was provided in the comment section or the description. This is so touching. I love it. Even I was able to sing in the Mizo language, and because they also wrote it, they provide the language. It was written on the screen. The video was so simple, so amazing, and the beat, and she sounds so good. She sounds so touching, and this is so loving song, guys. Best, like, wow, I think some people might have experienced this. This is so lovely. Mizo song are amazing, guys. Now I'm getting to love Mizo song. Earlier back in the days, guys, like I used to get a lot of amazing Mizo song, but then there is no English script or subtitle. But now I'm in love with it because I can understand it as I read for you all, guys. Thank you so much for the amazing reaction. Don't forget, subscribe. This channel is for the Northeast people. We react only for the Northeast people and tell us what to react next. Peace out. Love from Africa. Don't forget, guys, pray for Manipur. Stay safe. Love you all.